Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you. My name is Amit, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe as soon as you can, or like it, or do whatever else you like. I do care, but I would prefer you to subscribe and like, but either way I am fine if you don't want to do anything. Okay, today's topic is how do you buy gold or silver. Okay, I am this website called JM Bullion. I think that's how you Bullion, that's how you say it. Okay, I just bought a silver coin from them, so I want to talk about my experience, and also I want to talk about what's going on in the economy. If you have been not following many YouTubers or the news, so as you all know, the world has decided to print a bunch of money, right? And they cannot collect that much tax, therefore either we're gonna have inflation or deflation, we don't know. So in order for us to kind of create that stability for the future, right, it's all about how you control the risk that we do not know. One of the best ways is right now, let's invest in basically real asset, right? Real asset could be real estate, right? And also real estate could be gold, silver, or only gold and silver. I wouldn't recommend you to buy anything else, okay? But you can also buy the other stuff. But today's topic is how do you actually buy it, and why do you want to buy, let's say, gold or silver, right? I'm going to tell you a little story. Maybe you guys can relate to it, or maybe not. So I am Indian. We Indian, right? Especially our women, they love jewelries, and most of those jewelries are either made out of gold or they are made out of silver. Today I'm going to tell you a secret reason why Indian men or the family, they value this gold and silver so much. Yes, it is true that it makes our woman look beautiful, right? But there's actually a second reason behind it. This is done so that in the future, let's say they really want to buy something, it's like a little saving account for the woman that is always there, and if anything happens, they can always sell or pawn that jewelry, and they can essentially pay for whatever they need. So that's why Indian people always value gold and silver, and you see that a lot of women wear them. This is primarily kind of the reason driving behind it, okay? My mom had done it, my sister had done it, my grandma had done it, and I really didn't know my great-grandma, but from the stories that I've heard and the people in the Indian community that I know and that I interacted with, this is kind of the norm. So, okay, so right now we are living in a world we don't know what's going on. So the only way we can kind of deal with uncertainty is by kind of reducing our risk to minimum. You know, you never know that stock market that we are speculating today, that the Apple stock split and Tesla split, right? If you hopefully bought it, right, it might be going up. But if you didn't, right, if you bought a wrong stock and you think that tech all of a sudden is going big, like everybody's spending, Google, Apple, and Tesla, and just techie is going great up, and whereas Warren Buffett basically decided to go against what he preaches, that he was never going to do it in terms of gold, silver, yet he literally just bought a whole bunch of stake in mining operation. So basically he's counting on their future into the whatever comes out of the earth. So whatever the gold or silver versus us, right? You can buy that stock, but I would more feel comfortable, it's easier that you go ahead and just buy the coin itself. Right now the silver coins are around 30 some dollars, so hold on, yeah, 27.73 silver ask price, Gold price is 1955. Right, these two are. I do not think you can get this price honestly, because when I go on this Bullion website, right, you can go their website by going to jmbullion.com, and you go to, let's say, silver, and let's say do silver coins. Okay, in stock silver coins. This is how I actually purchased one, and I wanted to purchase one silver coin, which was 1 ounce. So you can see right now the silver ask price is $27 versus this lowest $30.58, right? Now the problem with this here is a little higher, so I don't think you can ever get that. So let's see, if when in stock, you can go ahead and add to cart, and that's what I kind of did. I actually bought one, and should be here in about 2-3 days. They already shipped it, it's already in my town. Soon as the courier people get it, they will deliver it to me. That was like 3-4 days ago. And let's say I want to buy it through card. Alright, here's the thing, they're gonna charge you shipping $7.99 in United States. Okay, and there is a tax, believe it or not, you will pay tax. Okay, so one silver coin, 1 ounce, will cost you around $40.75. Now, the way you can probably get away with this shipping cost if you want it a little cheaper, I think if you buy 10, they give you free shipping. See, at 10, and see, there's a little chart. If you buy 1 through 19, you get this rate, $32.77. You buy 20 through 99, $32.46. So if you buy more, it gets cheaper. Okay, just one more thing, versus I think if you pay by card versus, let's say, check is different. Yeah, it is a little different. So if you versus paying by, let's say, ACH, see, it's a little different versus paying by card. I like paying with card, because I like the points, and you simply just go through their checkout process, and that's it. And at the end, you will get your order, and that's kind of easy as that. You can also buy gold, right, in gold stocks, right? Let's look at that. In gold, I would not recommend you buy a coin. Buy the bars. These kind of like this thing, 1 ounce mint, right? You can buy not the coin, but like what do they call it? Gold bar. Yes, buy a bar, and make sure you buy the pure one. There are some. Make sure you buy 9999.9. Most of them are, but still take a look at. Make sure that's what you're buying. The very well-known one, right? Let's say peppermint, right? Oh, not 10 ounce, right? Look at this price, $20,000. That would be nice. Actually, even just to heck of it, I wanted to see if there was a such thing as a kilo of gold, and actually found it. So you guys might be surprised. And I mean, if you know I'm not rich yet, so I mean, there's no reason for you guys not to dream, right? So let's buy some 1 kg of gold bar. So this is how it looks like in reality. Okay, this is how it's gonna look like. All right, guys, you can buy a whole bunch of them and then hold it. And I don't know what you're gonna do with this, but yeah. Let's see if we can buy bigger than 1 kg. Can you buy like gold bar bigger than 1 kg? I don't think so. Okay, 50 gram, kilo, 1 ounce. When you buy gold, make sure you buy that 1 ounce. Okay, it's easier because you can take it internationally, and the conversion rate is like about 28 grams. So it's much easier that way than to kind of buy that smaller quantities. But obviously, if you buy more, you'll get cheaper, right? Like here, 2008, 2134, right? This is Swiss, so let's look at this one. If you were to buy one, it would cost you this much, right? or let's see how much it would cost me. Let's say 10. Same price. Oh wow, 20,000. And if you're gonna buy 10, why not buy that bigger quantities? But yeah, make sure you buy something like that. I really like this gold bar. Oh, I also saw the silver bar, which is kind of cool. You can get a whole bunch of like these 100-ounce one, and I feel like I don't know if you have like one of those metal. If you ever watch Baller on HBO, so Rick, I think that's his name, NFL player, right? He gets in trouble, and then all of a sudden the main character, right? He asks for money, and then he goes into his thing, into his safe, and then he basically pulling out. I'm really bad with the character name, guys, so but I'm describing the scenario. So he literally takes out. He has a whole bunch of these silver, and I think they were all gold. That's what he was trying to show. So that's kind of cool. Let me see if I can find you. Baller show gold vault. Let me see if I can find you. Image. Basically, the character, he goes in and then tries to take out the money. Basically, that's how he it's something like it was like, you crazy. I mean, I always have my money, and not in stock market, but this is what he does. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this show, and now you know how to buy gold or silver. And this is actually a genuine website. So actually, little side story, I did get ripped off by buying on eBay once. Don't buy any other website, eBay, Amazon, or Walmart, or whatever, right? Buy JM Bullion, or there's one more website that's called, if you were to Google, it's called, let's say, buy gold. So there's another website called APMEX. This website, okay? You can also buy, but these are the only two websites that I kind of trust, and other than that, I would not trust any other website. I'm pretty sure there are many other websites, but if you're gonna do that, might as well go to pawn shop and make sure it is genuine. Don't get ripped off. There are a lot of fakeness goes on, and when it comes to these gold and silver guys. So alright, there's no I got fake one or anything. So there's no warranty. So make sure you buy it from legit website. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked it.